In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo Mail, not sending and receiving emails easy. If messages aren't arriving or your emails won't send. A few quick checks usually solve it. Follow along step by step, and we'll get your inbox working smoothly again. First, take a careful look at your spam and trash folders. Email filters can misdirect legitimate messages, especially newsletters, receipts, or messages from new senders. Open Yahoo Mail and in the left sidebar, click Spam to see if anything important landed there. If you find a valid message, open it and choose the option to mark it as not spam so future emails from that sender go to your inbox. Then check trash. Messages you accidentally deleted may be sitting there temporarily. Restore anything you still need. Keep in mind that spam and trash are emptied automatically after a period of time, so it's best to review them sooner rather than later. Next, check your storage space. When your mailbox is full, new messages can't arrive. Look for your storage indicator in Yahoo Mail. If you are close to the limit, free up space by deleting old newsletters, large promotional emails, and messages with big attachments you don't need anymore. After deleting, make sure you empty spam and trash to actually reclaim the space. Give it a moment for the storage meter to update. If you constantly hit the limit, consider upgrading your storage so incoming mail isn't blocked. If you are using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. Corrupted or outdated data can cause loading issues that affect sending and receiving. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Select cached images and files, and cookies and other site data. Note that clearing cookies will sign you out of websites, so be ready to sign back in. Choose a time range like last 7 days or all time. Confirm, then close and reopen your browser and sign back into Yahoo Mail to test again. In other browsers, look for similar privacy settings. Finally, send yourself a test email from a computer. Sign into Yahoo Mail on your desktop or laptop, compose a new message to your own address. Add a clear subject and send it. Check the sent folder to confirm it went out. Then watch your inbox if it appears. Great, things are working. If it shows up in spam, mark it as not spam. Give it a couple of minutes in case of normal delivery delays. That's it. Check spam and trash. Verify storage, clear cache and cookies. And send yourself a test. Thanks for watching.